omukoro gwakorwa mu kisayi kya Bugamba kandi abeje 251 nibo batwire nibatendekwa okumara esaawa itemwe.
I've been on training for the last 7 days, and these are 4 schools. I want to thank God for this day. Kureba ngwizo beri yabaho nyenda kusimaranga kandi munkwase tumuterero mungaro kora ngwizo beri twacheza.
The parents, thank you so much for supporting the students to have this happen. Abana mwahikomuka musima bazire banyu.
Eje mushomo mwenda mutakwenda tine kirakunzura abantu itari mushobiki tukine muchaka batakatire mu byo kutwa babira maye mutendeka abaralemise government tukakora kosi y'abantu 10 babataka insiyate bekana.
Aba nabeje kurwo mu mashomero agara mu Bugamba Senior Secondary School, Lushanje Girls, Rubengo Modern SS hamwe na St Paul's Nshuro SS.
Be good patriots, be good students, and do what is required of you.
Abahona bashabwo kurinda embiri yabo hamwe no kumanya kibaro kwendombero bya Nyensya. Omugani makuru abeje mu mashomero gatargamwe nagamo mu district ya Rwampara bahereze kutendeka mu mashomo agokundi ihanga ryabo. Omushomo gugumazire sande mu myanya Nkachinon Girls SS Bugamba Mwizi Lachi kandi aba batendekirwe emyoga etari yemwe nemwe.
And the speaker has joined. Someone clap for the speaker.
This is the beginning. I want to request you that tomorrow keep doing these exercises on your own.
Love your school, love your community. And when you love those things, what do you do?
Guest of honor, a total of 2,344 students participated in this activity, and the activity was fully funded by the participating schools, and the Chinoni Girls was the cluster head.
Abeje 254 abashohoza ubwerizo aba bantu barwo mu mashomero Nkachinon Girls SS, Chinona High School, Rwampara Comprehensive School, Rugando College, Rwampara Vocational School hamwe na Rukanda JSS. Omugani makuru abeje b'amashomero behananjiriza bwo kugira imico mirungi kibahwero kombe ko musinje gwabo ogwanyensya evugambirwa ha mukoro gwo kuhendera kutendeka kwa scout omurubirizi.
Mtamu ya kabiri ntibantu tukora scouting etamu yona, so etamu ya nehwa ntuza national level.
Bamwabura emicwe ayishomero ayumuri mube numanya ngumurikizo cyangwa muno ahabo kuba umuntu atagera micwe nahaba naza abatakwama
enkarubirizi oguno mugisha gwamana munonga ogutubuyine kushanga ngo hostinga regional camping omurugureta Bushenyi
supportinga kutereza sente konke sente zigoma office ga badio sente zigoma office ga sports officer hate kintu kifa muntu ansaba akawo abakutereza bahagizi sente bambazereza aba scout kubayamba kutwara abana Kampala gukora imirimo y'aba scout bagume bazihereze konka baziteke account y'aba scout ba district zabo.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Senyomo Gideon, Onesimus Ndianabo na Abdukalim Sengendo.